qualitative. And then, sa PR2 naman, yung qualitative. What are the differences between the two? So let's start. Sa quantitative research, it deals with numbers and statistics. Para makuha mo yung result ng data, nangangailangan ka ng statistic. Pagdating naman sa qualitative, it deals with words and meaning. Yes, yung data, makukuha mo siya sa interview. So with that, sa pagkaka-interview mo doon sa mga participants, so may magkakapare-pareho doon. So yung meaning ng mga sinabi nila, yun yung magiging resulta mo. Ulitin ko ha, yung isa sa numbers, yung isa naman sa words. So, okay, next is primary focus po sa quantitative is yung testing the theories and hypotheses. Isa naman is formulating theories and exploring ideas. But requires many respondents. Sa quantitative research, kahit isang barangay pa yan, di ba, gumagamit pa nga ng isang buong populasyon ng province, ng barangay, populasyon ng school, kahit ng bansa. Requires few respondents. Sa phenomenology nga, at least pagdating naman sa qualitative, it is open-ended questions. Yan na yung mga tanong na how, why, or even what. Pero with the explanation, base, experiment, and observation. Sa quantitative section naman ng qualitative research, it is interviews, focus groups, case studies, and literature review. Sa data analysis naman ng quantitative research, it includes finding common patterns in data using what? SPSS application, Excel, or R application. Nandiyan na yung Pearson R, pagkuha ng weighted mean. Sa Excel, dati mano-manong computation, pero ngayon may application na